Hey guys, welcome back to Bunny Hop TV, and today we're going to be making a bagel, ham, cheese, and cream cheese sandwich. It's pretty good, but I'm Bunny, and let's hop to it. So I started to get a little ahead of myself, but what you want to do is you have your two bagels that you will take in half. You'll put the cream cheese on. I chose uh, onion and chive, or chive and onion for mine. That's pretty good. So then I put this Mexican cheese blend on. It wasn't supposed to be that, but if you want to do cheddar or whatever kind of cheese, then that's totally fine. You just want to make sure that the entire half is covered with cheese. And then what I did was I decided to pick up the remaining amounts of cheese on the board by picking up the bagel and then just picking up all the rest of the cheese that was on the pan and putting it back on the bagel because I wanted all the cheese that I could have. Because, I mean, look at those bad boys. And then the thing is, these don't take very long. It's very easy to burn them if you're not paying attention. You're going to have to put them at 325, and we're not going to keep them in for very long. Like I said, it's going to be just a couple minutes, and I think I did these for about 4 minutes. They were the most quick things ever because holy crap, did that cheese melt. I put extra Parmesan on there also, only on one half, the top half, um, just so it can give it a little oomph. But yeah, as you can see, it melted really nice. So what you're going to want to do after that is put ham on the sandwich because this is really going to make it so much better. You can do, I guess, roast beef or any other meat you want to, but this completes the sandwich, and we're going to put it in for a second time. This way the cheese melts to at least the top layer of the ham, and it tastes so good. So we'll put those back in for another 2 minutes. Yeah. And then there you have it, folks. It's just going to be toasty enough so that it's not going to be squishy on the outside at all. It'll have a completely hard outside everywhere, but on the inside it'll still be chewy enough and it'll still taste so yummy. When you cut it in half, it's going to have that melty cheese, but also that, cream cheese and the layers of ham. Next time, I'm going to layer the ham and cheese periodically, like two pieces of ham and then cheese and ham and cheese, because this just looks so yummy. Oh man, look at that. And it tastes fantastic. So, I mean, let me know what you think in the comments. And this has been all for Bunny Hop TV. So, Bunny, bye.